Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a video as a reverse video. So how to make a reverse video effect on your kinemaster editor on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to make a reverse video or how to make a reverse effect video. Here I'm just going to choose first a video. So in this clip, I has put the objects on the ground. So I just want to reverse this video. So while clicking on the video, you have a lot of options on the side. Here near the speed option, you have an option called reverse. Click on this. It automatically get into the process. So you should not close the kinemaster or turn off your device while it's processing. So after completing the process, you can just play this video. You can see actually the video has been reversed. This is how you adjust the reverse video, how it's being created. You can see if you want to have this to be slow, you just add to have a speed option here. So you can just minimize the speed, and now you just play at the point you have a best reverse option. For an example, I'm just going to play here. So you can see how it's making a reverse. It's super awesome. So this is how you just reverse a video clip on your kinemaster video editor on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.